Okay guys, welcome. This is part 2 video for the loose section, paper 1. So in part 1, I have discussed question 1 until 9. You can go through with that video and then we can continue by watching this video to get the remaining solutions for the questions 10 until 21. Alright, let us start. Okay, this question is about surd. You are given a surd, a fraction surd plus another fraction, so you must make sure the denominator same. That should be your primary step. So as you learn in your primary, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, how we do this? We multiply 3 and 3 top, multiply 2 and 2 top, and then once the denominator become the same, then we do the addition. Okay, same thing here. 2 minus 3, and then we have 2 plus 3. Okay, you multiply with 12 plus 8 over 12. Now you multiply by this part, 2 plus 3. Okay, now let us do the multiplication. Or another thing, never mind. Actually, you can write it in a single fraction also. Okay, never mind. I do the second step as a single fraction. So the bottom should be 12 times 2 is 2 12, and then 3 multiply the 12 is 36, and so on. 2 times 12 minus 3 multiply 12. You can multiply inside because multiply 36 plus 8 times 2 16 plus 8 3. Okay, now you can simplify the answer. 12 is what? Press in your calculator, you can get the simplified answer. 12 is actually 2 3 minus 36 is minus 6, then plus 16 plus 8 3 divide 2 12 is 2 3 as we found out just now, plus 6. 36 is 6. Okay, let's simplify this up. 2 times 2 is 4. Whole number multiply whole number first. 2 times 2, 4. 4 3. Okay, this part 4 3 plus here 8 3. So in total you get 12 3. And then here minus 6 plus 16. You should be getting 10 over bottom here 4 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 3 plus 6. Okay, of course we can take out 2. Factorize. 12 and 10 can divide by 2. 4 and 6 also can divide by 2. So 2 times 6 3 plus 5 over 2 times 2 3 plus 3. And then these two you can cut. So is our answer ready? Not yet, because our denominator have surd. You cannot leave your answer fraction surd with the denominator with the surd. Okay, we cannot have a surd at the denominator, so we need to rationalize it. 2 3 conjugate it minus 3. Okay, right, and then we try to multiply in 6 3 multiply 2 3. Okay, 6 3 multiply 2 3, so 6 times 2 is 12. 3 is cancelling each other. Surd 3 multiply surd 3. It is surd 9. And then you get 3. Okay. Then 6 surd 3 minus multiply with negative 3. This part, okay. So you get minus 18 surd 3. And then 5 times 2 is 10 surd 3. And then 5 multiply negative 3 is negative 15. Okay, at bottom there, 2 surd 3 multiply 2 surd 3, or I can put it as a 2 surd 3 square lah. 4 times 3 minus in between, 3 square is 9. Okay, let's do this. So 12 times 3 is 36. 36 minus 15. 36 minus 15 should be 21. And then minus 18 plus 10 should be minus 8 surd 3 over 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay, is 3. So that will be your answer, I guess. 21 minus 8 surd 3 over 3. There, your answer. Alright, that's how you do the question 10. Okay, let's move on to question 11. Okay, question 11A, 2-mark question, should be easy. Okay. Right, given 25, 5 2x minus 3 equal to 1. Find the value of x that satisfy the equation. Okay, let's do this. 25 is 5 squared. Remember that. 5 square. And then we have 5 2x minus 3 equal to 1. 1 means what? 5 power 0 lah. You make everything in terms of 5, then easy to solve. So this one 5 power something multiply 5 power something, so you can add up the powers. Okay, since 5 and 5 equal, the power should be equal as well. So 2x, 2 minus 3 is negative 1, equals to 0. So 2x is equal to 1, x equal to 1 over 2. Quite easy one. Okay, the next one. It is given that x is like this, y is like this. Find this value. Okay, we try to find. I'm gonna play with the surd again. Before that, we have the x, we have the y, but what is the y square, what is the x square? Jadi, we try to find the x square first. X square is simply what? 1 over 4 plus 3 surd 2 square. Okay, what does it mean? The numerator also have to be square, the denominator also have to be square. So 1 square is 1. 4 plus 3 surd 2. Okay, square. So you need to do mentally. No need to open up 2 brackets all. So just square this part, you get 16. And then square this part, you get this n one. 3 square is 9. And square root 2 square is multiply 2. Okay. Now the middle part, take this, and take the 2, multiply them. So whole numbers, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24. And what is the surd? Surd 2. Okay, when you simplify this, what do you get? Okay, let's see. 1 over the 16 plus 9 times 2. Okay, let's do that. 16 plus 9 times 2 is 34. 34 plus 24 surd 2. Okay, that is your x square. Now, cari y square pula. Y square is what? Y is 1 over 4 minus 3 surd 2 square. Okay, right? So, like this now. 4 square is 16. Negative 3 square is positive 9. And then square root 2 square is just 2. And then at the middle, you need to think like this. 4 minus 3 sub 2 square, right? Take this 2, take this negative 3, take this 4. So you'll get negative 24 sub 2. Okay? So you get the middle term ready. And then here 1 over 16 plus 18, again 34, but you get minus 24 sub 2 now. Okay, now what is the question? The question is xy square plus x square y. Xy square plus x square y. Okay, so x is what? 1 over 4 plus 3 sub 2. And what is y square? Y square, tengok sini ya. 1 over 34 minus 24 sub 2 plus x square 1 over 34 plus 24 sub 2 times by y 1 over 4 minus 3 sub 2. Okay, now time to solve this. Alright, we try to do the multiplication first. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, this is going to be very lengthy, 4 marks, no wonder. Okay, so I multiply the 4 with the 34 first. 4 times 34 is 136. And then I multiply 4 with the negative 24 sub 2. Okay, 4 multiply negative 24 sub 2. You'll get negative, just key in your calculator, no need to think much. Okay, and then 3 sub 2 multiply the 34. 3 sub 2 multiply 34. 34 times 3. I didn't get the exact answer, so I put 102 sub 2. And then 3 sub 2 multiply negative 24 sub 2. You'll get negative 144. Just key in your calculator. Okay, this is the first part, plus this one, same thing, right? 34 times 4, you get 136. 34 multiply negative 3 sub 2. You should be getting negative 102 sub 2. And then 24 times 4, 24 sub 2 times 4 is 96 sub 2. And then 24 sub 2 you multiply by negative 3 sub 2. You should be getting negative 144. Here. Okay. Look very messy. Okay, let's clear this up. 136 minus 144 should be minus 8, right? Okay, minus 8. And then negative 96 plus 102. Negative 96 plus 102 is 6. So 6 sub 2 minus 8 plus 1 over. This one also should be the same, but then here it will be negative 6 sub 2. Okay, right. Again, we get a fraction. We need to, okay, what we can do? Okay, we think something is like never ending, right? Rationalize this. But you all see, this one positive, this one negative, negative, right? So I actually can write like this. Correct or not? This negative, negative, I factorize the negative. Why I do like that? Okay, because you see this positive and negative, I can make it as a negative pula sekarang. Like 1 plus minus 3, what you will do? 1 minus 3, right? Same thing lah. So it become minus 1 over 6 surd 2 plus 8. So jangan ingat kosong ini minus 8, ini positive 8. So we need to do the times again. This 6, you all know, right, how to do the minus. Let's say 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. How you will do quickly this? This 3 times 1, 3. This 2 times 1, minus 2. And then bottom, you need to multiply them. Okay, same thing here. So 6 surd 2 plus 8. Put a bracket, kalau tak kamu tak boleh nampak. The negative become, so negative 8 become positive later on. Okay, over 6 surd 2, this one like conjugate ready, this one, right? Like rationalizing, multiplying each other. Or I just write first. Okay, so settle your denominator first. 6 times 6 is 36, and then surd 2 times surd 2 is 2, minus 8 square is 64. What is the answer? 1, 2. Okay. Oh, alright. 36 times 2, 72. Okay, correct. So 6 surd 2 plus 8 minus 6 surd 2 plus 8. Okay, because negative negative become positive. That's where you make mistake lah. If you didn't put bracket, you cannot see that properly. So yeah. So 16 surd 2 minus 16, minus 6. Sorry, 6 surd 2 minus 6 surd 2, you cancel. 8 plus 8 is 16. Bottom there, 72 minus 64 is 8. And finally, you get your 2 as your answer. Alright. Quite a lengthy one. Quite challenging. Okay. Not to say challenging exactly. Maybe if you weak in square the things up, then you might be facing difficulty in these questions. Okay. Right. So moving on to question 12. Okay. So this question 12, this is like our module question. Okay. Check out in our 4.1, right before the problem solving part, I'll give questions something like this previously. Okay, so this type of question require you think a lot, right? So you see 2x equal to 4 power y equal to 8 power z. Okay, and take note that 8 is 2 times 4. So how we can play around the things? Okay, first of all, maybe the 2x I make it equal to 8 power z. So if I want the 2 only, the x become 1 over x. Okay, you must know this. Like for example, a power 2 is equal to, let's say, 16. What you will do? The a, we want the a, the square becomes square root, right? It is same like 2 becoming half. Dia jadi power root. Sama lah, x dia jadi power root 1 over x. So 2 is equal to 8z over x. Okay, we do the same for the 4 maybe. 4y equal to 8z. 4 only is 8z, and then the y become here power root y, 1 over y lah. So 8z over y is equal to 4. Okay, right. So now we know that 8 power z is equal to 2 times 4 power z. You also can write like this. Okay. So now you can substitute the 2. 2 is what? 8z over x. Remember? And 4 is what? 8z over y. And then you can multiply by the z again, which you get 8 power z. Okay. So now I think you can do this one ready. Okay, 8. First of all, we darab, right? We can actually plus them first. Z plus z, z over x plus z over y. You get times z, power z. Okay. Alright. So actually got a lot of shortcut to do. Actually, you can cancel out the z also. Okay. Like 8 power z. This one also 8 power something something z. So you can cancel the z. But okay, we try to multiply in, or we do the fraction first. Okay, this one zy plus zx over xy. I multiply already, yeah. I add on, sorry, I didn't multiply yet. I make this as a single fraction. Zy plus zx over xy. And then remember, you need to multiply by z also. Okay, right. So multiply z, what do you get? So I don't want to expand, I just put like this first. Okay, let me write it a little bit clearer. I multiply by z over xy. Boleh nampak 8 equal to 8. So the z should be equal to zy plus zx multiplying z over xy. Okay, they want what? Express y. Okay, kita kena express y. Okay, so now simple. This z will cancel. Cancel means this is not 0, you know, this is 1. So that 1 you multiply by xy, so xy will become here zy plus zx. Take y all one side. Xy minus zy equal to zx. Make y as a subject. X minus z equal to zx. So zx over x minus z. Zx over x minus z. Okay, correct lah, the answer. Alright, that's how you do that. Part A. Quite challenging, huh? Right, 12B. Problem solving should be easy. Okay, in indices problem solving yang senang. Sebab dia dah bagi formula siap-siap. Kamu kena ganti saja kan. Okay. Right, so question B. The temperature of a cube aluminium decreases from 120 to 3 degrees Celsius with this equation after x second. X to time lah. T to temperature. Okay. Now the question is, okay, we know that temperature is 100, 0.95 x. Find the temperature of the aluminium. Maksudnya find the T when after 4 seconds, when x equal to 4 lah. You just multiply lah, substitute lah. You get your answer lah. 100, 0.95 power 4. So you'll get 81.45 degree Celsius. Okay, and then now find the time pula. When the, okay, so you must know what the T should be substituted. Kamu tengok. the equation is telling 120 to becoming the t. So 120 becoming the t. So t is 90, yeah? Right. So t is equal to 100, 0.95x. T is 90, 100, 0.95x. Dia tanya what is the time in second lah. Okay, so log lah, use your log. So 90 over 100 equal to 0.95x. I can simplify further, 0.9 equal to 0.95x. Jangan kamu pergi bawah 0.95 divide there. It is protected by the power. We cannot do that. So, kamu bolehlah sekarang ambil log base 10 ke, or log E ke. Also can take log E, no problem. Any base lah. So, normally we put base 10 lah, log base 10. So, I add log both side. You can put log 10 or you just can ignore it. Doesn't matter actually. Log 0.9 equal to the x turun depan, log 0.95. So log 0.9 divided by log 0.95 equal to x. X equal to 2.05 or 0.5. You nak ambil 4 significant pun boleh juga. 0.54 seconds. Okay. Let's say you don't want to use the log 10. I want to use ln. How to use ln? Okay. Alternatively, you can do like this. Okay. Just ln means what? Log E, right? Okay. So log E 0.9 equal to x log E 0.95. Okay. And then change it to ln. Ln 0.9 equal to x ln 0.95. Ln 0.9 divided by ln 0.95, you'll get your x. So what is x? Okay, let's use ln and see. Ln 0.9 divided by ln 0.95. You'll getting again 2.054. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can make use of log 10 or log E. Log E means easier lah, ln. I also like that. Solve in that way. Okay, right. Next one. Okay, question 13a, given k equal to 19. Okay, for us to check the final answer. This question quite boring. We have done this so many times. When you have a minus like this, of course, this is letting the indices with the algebra. Okay, so what we have here, 5n. Okay, let's simplify this first. 5n plus 2 minus 5n. 125 is 5 power 3 multiply 5n minus 2 equal to k 5n. Find out the k. Alright, it's very simple. First, simplify this one first. 5n minus plus 2 minus 5 power n. This one 5 power 3. Okay, this one 5 power something multiply 5 power something. So you can add up the powers. Not multiplying in. Jangan silap. So, kamu akan dapat apa? 5n plus 2 minus 5n minus 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus n. Sekarang, let your 5n, sorry. Let's break first. N plus 2 is actually what? Kita kena tengok dulu. 5n multiply 52. Okay, because if you know that am multiply an equal to am plus n, so you do reverse also, must the reverse also should be true. Correct. So minus 5 power n minus lagi 5 power 1 multiply 5 power n. Okay. Now let 5n all looking like q lah, easy. Or looking like k also can. Lagi senang. Tak apa. K dia dah bagi kat Q lah. Q dulu. So 5 square multiplying 5n. 5 square is 25. 5n is Q. Minus 5n again, Q. Minus 5 power 1 is 5. Okay. And then 5 power n is Q. So 5Q. So kamu akan dapat 19Q. And then the Q tu ganti balik lah. Q tu apa dia? Sebenarnya 5 power n. Ini yang kita dapat. Question bagi apa? K bracket 5 power n, right? Sekarang kita compare K equal to 19 lah. Okay. This one and this one same. So K should be 19 since they are equal. Okay. Right. Easy. Next is part B. Express this in the form of this. Okay. Given answer is 17 and 1. Okay, let's check. Oh, squaring this. Squaring this shouldn't be problem for you. You must do in your eye. Okay. I'm expecting you into that level lah. Okay. So, very simple to square what? Okay, first, you square the most left-hand side. Okay, what do you get? 4 square is 16. Surd 5 become just 5. surd 5 is surd 5 square, right? Square and square root cut, so you get 5. And this hujung, negative 2, you square, definitely positive 4. Okay, what is at the middle? Okay, take this 2, take this negative 2, take this 4, multiplying them. And finally, multiply the surd as well. 2 times 4, 8. 8 times negative 2, negative 16. Then the surd 5, we cannot times in because that one is surd. Okay. And then surd 5 minus 1. Okay. So 16 times 5 plus with the 4 at the hujung there. So you get 84. Minus 16 surd 5 over surd 5 minus 1. Definitely this cannot be the answer because this is a fractional answer and the denominator is with the surd. So we need to rationalize this. Conjugate it. Okay. Right. Okay, now surd 5 become just 5. In between minus 1 square is 1. Okay. Denominator very easy the story. Okay, numerator 84 times surd 5. 84 surd 5 lah. 84 times 1. 84. 16 surd 5. Okay, minus 16 surd 5 multiply surd 5. So surd 5 will cancel. So minus 16 bracket 5. And minus 16 surd 5 times 1. So you get minus 16 surd 5. Okay. Right. So let's settle this. Okay, this one 84 surd 5 and negative 16 surd 5. What do you get? Let us see here. 84 minus 16 is 68 surd 5. And then 84 minus 16 times 5. You'll get 4, positive 4 divided by 4. Okay, sekarang kita cuba they all split, right? Split into 2, right? We also split into 2 lah. Or you can factorize at top. We can do that also. Okay. 4 times what? You get 68. 17 surd 5 plus 1 over 4. Cut this, cut this. So 17 surd 5 plus 1 is what I get. What they write is P surd 5 plus Q. So we see who is with the surd 5? 17, right? So P is 17 lah. Direct comparison. And then the whole number should be 1. Okay, that's how you get. Not that bad. Easy. 4 marks is too generous for this question, in my opinion. Okay, right. Next one. Of course, you can pause and digest first what I telling. I cannot pause for a while for you to digest the thing. As you have a lot of question, I need to rush a bit. Okay. Right. And oh, okay. This question very tamak one, you know. They cover the indices, part 1. Part 2, they cover the cert. Part 3, they cover the log. Full set, full meal. Okay. Log 3p equal to m. Express in terms of m. Express what? Oh, given express what? I'm not so sure what they want. I think find log 3 and then the express in terms of m should be the end of the question. Okay. Maybe some mistakes there. Okay. Log 3p equal to m given like this. Okay. Oh, this is 1 mark question only. Find log 3p. Log 3 p is what? P cert is 1 over 2. Okay. So the 1 over 2 come in front. Dia jadi log 3p. And remember, log 3p is what? M, right? So half m lah. This is not one question. Okay. Right. Maybe a bonus question for you. Okay. Next question. Question 14. 4 marks question. Okay. 4 marks is good. Quite long mark. Quite a lot. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay, let's check. Log 12. Okay, it is given that log 12 3 equal to k. Now we need to express this in terms of k. You want to use k, it must be in base 12. You ada base 3, macam mana kita nak guna? Okay, so we change this part. Okay, we change this part. So log I want to change to base 12, and then what we have here. Okay, the 8 will be here. Okay, the 8 will be here. The cert 3 will be here. Cert 3 is 3 power half, so half letak sini lah. Okay, now you see log 12 3. Log 12 3 is actually k. Sekarang kamu akan dapat jawapan log 12 8 over 1 over 2 times k is k over 2 lah. Okay, so how we do this? Okay, another thing, you get something like this. Okay, remember if a divided by b over c, dia akan jadi apa? C a over b, correct or not? You all realize this or not? A divide b over c means what? A over b over c is same, right? Okay, then become c over b. So you akan dapat ac over b, which I told you just now. Okay, so these two will naik atas over k. They want in terms of k only. So if you stop at here, it won't be right answer. Okay, so what we can do? The 2 you can bring up here, it becomes 64, but what's the catch here? So the catch, we cannot express 12 and 8 in the same base. So what I can do? Maybe I change my strategy again. Okay, they give you... Okay, wait. Now log 12, 8. 12 is 4 times 3, 2 square times 3. So I need to express something else there. It shouldn't be this much easy, right? Okay, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so I take the original log 12 3 equal to k. Okay, I need to express in terms of, I try 3 first. This is equal to k, remember, log 3 3, log 3 12. 12 is, I put 3 times 4. Okay, what we get here? 1 over log 3 3 plus log 3 4 equals to k, and then 1 over log 3 3 is 1 plus log 3 4. 4 is 2 square, so 2 log 3 2 equals to k. Okay, and how I can transform this? I want the log 3 2. It is very important for me to get the log 3 2. So 1 over k is equal to 1 plus 2 log 3 2, and then okay, I continue here. Okay, and then make log 3 2 as your subject. 1 over k minus 1, and then the whole thing divide 2, I get log 3 2. So 1 over k minus 1 is 1 minus k over k, and then divide 2 maksudnya times 1 over 2 equal to log 3 2. So what I'm getting out of this, 1 minus k over 2k. Okay, so this one 1 over k minus k over k, the 1 I put as k over k, so it become 1 minus k over k, this one. Okay, right, you don't need to show any baby steps, all just do it, your examiner knows that. So we got log 3 2 ready. Okay, now easy for us. We continue here, 2 log, or we can just restart this thing. Okay, we can just restart this thing. Okay, now kita ada dua benda, log 3 12 equal to k, log 3 2 equal to 1 minus k over 2k. Okay, kita dah ada dua benda kan. Okay, kita cuba cari. Log surd 3 8. It's quite lengthy. Log surd 3 8. We need to express this. So we change the base first. Log 3. Log 3. The 8 is 2 power 3. Surd 3 is 3 power half. Okay. Now we try to substitute everything. Log 3. Sorry. I think log base 12 3 equal to k. Alright, sorry. This part wrong. Okay, log base 12 3 equal to k. Okay, so kita tukar dulu soalan dia. Okay, this was the question. Okay, now we cannot from this okay, don't do yet. Okay, this one we get ready in terms of base 3. Okay, this convert this into base 3 now. Log 3 log 3. Okay, the 3 become up here, it will become 12, correct? Equal to k. Okay, so I think I'm repeating back. Okay, I think I'm repeating back. Okay, wait. So now let's try to do log cert 3 8. Log cert 3 8. We want to use the k as well. Okay, so log 3 over log 3. 8 is 2 power 3, and this one 3 power half, correct? Okay, be sure that you need to know how to convert this properly. Okay, it become like this. Okay, now we try to substitute everything. 3 log 3 2 we already express 1 minus k over 2k over 1 over 2 only. Log 3 3 you can cut, and then this 1 over 2, this 2 will carry at top, so it become like 2 1 minus k over 2k, and then don't forget the 3 is here just now. Or I can write it like this 2 go and multiply here, so it becomes 6 lah. And then over 1 no need to write, and then this 2 and this can cut, so 3 1 minus k over k. That should be the answer. It's quite lengthy and quite difficult question, this one, challenging. Alright, hope you can follow. Any question, if you still don't understand my working, please feel free to message me. Okay, right, let us see here. Okay, a group of scientists in Hawking City discovered an odd organism that reproduces following the equation. Problem solving should be easy, but 4 marks. Let's see. Ln x over e square equal to t minus 3 ln x. Okay, very pelik one, the equation. Okay, let's see. You must know what is the x. X is number of resulting cells. X is number of cells lah. T is the time in hour. After 10 hours, so that means substitute t equal to 10. Express the number of resulting cells in terms of E. Number of resulting cell means X is how much in terms of E. In terms of E, jadi kamu jangan gantilah E itu dengan value dia. Okay? Okay, now we just substitute the 10 and see. Ln X over E square equal to, where's the T? Oh, T here. Okay. 10 minus 3 ln X. Okay. Sekarang dia nak dalam bentuk E saja. Okay. So what we can do is we bring the ln all one side. Minus become plus 3 ln X equals to 10. Okay. Then ln X over E square. The 3 kita naik atas balik. Ln X cube equal to 10. Kalau ln dia tambah, we can make it as a multiplication using law of logarithm. X multiply X cube over E square equals to 10. Okay, jadi dia jadi apa? So ln ni actually apa? Ln ni adalah base E. Don't forget that. Ln is actually log base E. I convert like this. So I get X power 4 over E power 2 equals to 10. Okay, now you convert to indices. This E become the base, the 10 become the power. Okay, so X power 4 should be equal to E power 10 multiply E power 2. So X power 4 equal to E power 10 plus 2 lah. Same base what? So X power 4 equal to E power 12. Okay, remember you want to find the X. So the 4 you move here, it become 1 over 4. So X equal to E power 3. Okay, the answer given is correct. E power 3. Quite simple. Just need to be a little bit creative to do this. Alright, next question. Okay, next. Question 15. Okay, if you see log 10A greater than 0, state the range value of A. This one theory lah. Log 10 A greater than 0. Maksudnya log 10A I want to get positive means the A should be in what range? That was the question. Sorry, not greater, less than 0. Less than 0 means? Less than 0 means what? Negative lah. So, you want to get a negative answer. Log A0, log 10A, you want to get a negative answer. Okay, remember, log 10 1 is equal to 0. Log 10 1 is equal to 0. Log 10 any number less than 1 equal to negative. Contoh kita try log 10 0.5 in your calculator. Okay, cuba try. You will get negative answer. See that or not? Because at 1 itself already 0. So anything less than 1, this one, anything less than 1 should be negative. So you want to get a negative number means your A maximum 1, minimum 0. Any value between 0 to 1 will get a negative answer for the log. Okay, this one no need any working. You just do like this already, get the mark. 1 mark just for the final answer. This one I just explained to you how to see the question. Okay, next one. 15B. Okay. 15B, given that A like this, B like this, simplify this. Okay. Okay, kita tengok apa dia bagi. 49 X plus Y plus 7 X minus Y. Should be easy. 49 is 7 square. X plus Y plus 7 X minus Y. Okay, lepas tu apa kita boleh buat? Kita kembang dia. 7 2X plus 2Y plus 7X minus Y. Okay. And then You want to use A and B, make sure it's 7x power x or 7 power y. Jadi kita pisahkan dulu 7 to x multiply 7 to y. Okay, campur 7x. Kalau tolak, kita bahagilah 7y. Okay, so how you can expand more? You can use 7 power x only, not 2x. So, kita boleh jadikan dia macam ni. Betul tak? Okay. So now I get everything in 7 power x and 7 power y. Now ganti je lah. 7 power x is what? A. And then square times 7 power y is b. And then square plus 7x is a over b. So a square b square plus a over b. There. That is the answer. Quite easy, yeah? Okay, next one. Question 16. Again, another problem solving. Should be easy. Problem solving easy in indices. And for this topic, sorry. Because they already give you the formula. You just need to use your log all properly. Then you can get the answer. Okay, the population of bacteria A grow according to the function like this. And population of bacteria B growing according to this function. Such that n is the number of days. Find the total population of bacteria A on second day. Dia tanya total population. So that means population of first day plus the population of second day. Okay. So population of first day is for bacteria what? Bacteria A. So 200 exponent n n tu dia akan jadi e power 1 lah. N is day what? Day 1 plus 200 e day number 2, so n2. Substitute dia. So just how to do this? E power 1 no need to put power 1 lah. So you can see you can just key in your calculator because we only interested in final answer. You no need to factorize all these things lah. Shift ln to get exponent. E means e power 1 plus 200 e power 2. On the second day. But I didn't get the answer. Okay, wait. What could be the error here? First day, second day, total population. Oh, I think find the population on the second day. That means second day only, is it? Let me see. Yeah, they calculate the second day only. On the second day only. Find the total population of bacteria on the second day. The question is a little bit not clear what happened on the second day. Total population. If you ask me, I will add up with day number 1 also. The population of bacteria A on second day. Okay. So they get the answer. They just do the second day only. Okay, they want on the second day only. Right. So 200 exponent 2. So you get 1477.81. Okay. But this couldn't be the... I also strongly disagree with the answer because bacteria, you cannot have decimals all lah. So you convert to 4 significant figure. I will put 1477 only. 0.81 tapi 78 belum lagi wujud. Jadi I will accept this answer. This answer I cannot accept one. Okay. After how many days the total population of bacteria will exceed 800,000? Okay. So we got the formula 200 En is the total population will exceed melebihi 800,000. Okay, just do this. 800,000 divided by 200, 4,000. Okay, e power n is, sorry, I just see. Okay, I get what? 4,000. Okay, and then you need to put, you cannot solve this, you need to put the log e lah. Log e, baru senang kita nak cancel dia. Okay, so log e can cancel, so n must be greater than, log e is ln 4,000. So n must be greater than 8.29. So n should be equal to 9. Greater means choose the more than 8. So 9. Okay, the answer given is correct. Okay, quite easy. Next, 17 part A. Okay, simplify this and the answer should be 3K106. This should be the answer. Okay, let's see. K half. The 3 I can put it separately. Times K negative 1 over 3. Seriously, this is the question. Okay, 1 over 2. Darab means we plus negative 1 over 3. Okay. 0.5 plus minus 1 over 3. Just do in your calculator. So you get 106. Okay, funny. The question is an easy one. Okay. Next is show that this one is divisible by 29. This type of question we have done so many times. So we know how to deal with this. Okay, let's break the plus all into multiplication. Minus 5x. Minus means divide by 5 power 1. Okay. Plus 5 power x. Okay. Plus means you darab. Minus means you bahagi. Okay, now let 5 power x2 equal to q. So 5 power 1 is 5. 5x is q. Minus 5x power x is q over 5. Plus 5 power x is q again. Okay, you see this is a non-linear expression. So you multiply the whole thing with 5 to get rid of this 5. So you get 25q minus 5 and 5 cut. So q plus 5q. So kamu akan dapat 30 minus 1. 29q. 29q is what? 5x. Okay, so 29 is divisible by 29 lah. Kan? You dapat 29, you memang boleh bahagi dengan 29. Okay, so 29, 5x is a factor of, or is a multiple of 29. Jadi, salin balik soalan dia. So, the whole equation lah. 5x plus 1 minus 5x minus 1 plus 5x is divisible by 29 for all integers, all positive integers x. Okay, right. That's part B. Okay, question 18. This type of question also we already trained in our module. Convert this recurring decimal. Recurring means repeating decimal without using the progression method, because progression we will learn it in a different way. Okay. So we got 0.545454. So you're repeating two 2 digit by 2 digit by 2 digit. Okay, so what we're going to do is let n first, let n equal to 0 0.545454 and so on. Okay, then multiply this n with 100. Why I choose 100? Because it repeating 2 units, 2 units, 2 units like that. So 2 units means 2 0, so I put 100. If it is repeated like 0 0.547547, then I might be 3 repeating units, right? So I will multiply by 1000. Okay, macam tu lah. So this will become 54.5454, not 54, 5454, and so on. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Get the 2 minus 1, you get 99 and equal to 54, right? 54.545454 minus 0.545454. So you get 54 lah. Basically this one all minus. 54 minus 0, 54. Okay. So n equal to 54 over 99, and check in your calculator whether it can simplify or not. Yes, it can be simplified. 6 over 11. So you can press in your calculator 6 over 11, you will get this answer. Right, question B. Question B quite lengthy. Okay, let me copy the question and diagram only. Okay, the length and width dia dah bagi. Determine the area of the colored region as shown in the diagram 4 and state your answer like this. Okay, dia nak colored region. Area of colored region means the grey color one. So we take the whole rectangle area minus the area of triangle. Triangle punya base kita tahu dia sama dengan length of the rectangle, tapi kita kena kenal pasti what is the height of the triangle. Okay, so we can use our Pythagoras theorem lah, tak ada cara lain. Okay, use your Pythagoras theorem. So I take out the triangle first. We find the height first. This is the height. This is 2 surd 5 minus 2 is the whole base. Correct or not? We only take half of the triangle, so divide by 2. Okay, which you get what? Maybe I do this separately. So the 2 will cut both places. If you don't understand this, just remember you can factorize the top part and then 2 cut. So you get surd 5 minus 1 here. Sorry guys. Here's I didn't notice it was surd 2. Okay, wait, one more time. 2 surd 5 minus surd 2 divided by 2. So you actually can separate it out. This 2 you can cut. Okay, so you get what? I think better you maintain at this lah. Okay, nanti if you try to simplify, satu you dapat linear, satu you dapat fraction. Problem juga. Okay. Actually, wait I think I made a mistake. The height should be equal to the width, right? Okay, sorry. I'm thinking of this hypotenuse. Okay, right. Wrong. Okay, now let me brief you again with the question. Okay. They want this colored part. So we take the whole area, rectangle area, and then determine the area of colored region. We don't know actually which part is colored region. I think the colored region, do they mean this one or this one? Because if colored region means, we can straight away find the area of triangle, no? Okay, I try to find the area of triangle first. Area of triangle is half base height. Base there, 2 surd 5 minus surd 2, and the height there, surd 5 plus surd 2. Okay, we find the area of triangle first, and then we see, because I printed in black and white, so we don't know which part they meant by the colored region. Okay, this one 2 can cut, cannot, because why? Because you need to cut both place. This one inside the surd cannot, so we try to multiply in first. 2 surd 5 times 5. 2 surd 5 times 5 is bracket 5. Then 2 surd 2. Okay. Wait. What am I doing? Wrong thing. Okay. 2 surd 5 times 5. Okay, done. 2 surd 5 and surd 2 become surd 10 lah. Correct. Surd dengan surd boleh darab dalam, and then this one negative. Surd 5 times surd 5 is just 5. Okay. Surd 5 and surd 2, why I keep making mistakes? Okay. Surd 5 times surd 2 is surd 10. And then surd 10, surd 2 multiply surd 2. So negative. Surd 2 and surd 2 will become 2 only lah. Okay. So what will be the answer? Let us check. 1 over 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Surd 10. Okay. What is the answer? 4 plus half surd 10. Okay, betul lah. Area of triangle lah dia minta. Okay, lepas tu kita kena times in back. So half times 8 is 8 over 2. Surd 10 over 2. So kamu akan dapat 4 minus surd 10 over 2. I pelik sebab question dia terlalu senang. Why not they just make the triangle? Why they give the rectangle all to confuse us? Okay, that's why I'm thinking of. Okay, you can, this form and this form are the same. You can let it be like that. Okay, right. Very weird question though. Question 19. Express surd 45 in terms of this one. Of course, you can use your calculator and get the answer. 1 mark only what? So definitely you can straight away tell the final answer. No problem with that. But in case you want to give working, you cuba tekan calculator dulu, dia akan bagi jawapan surd 35 kan. So you try to surd 3 ni you square dulu. 9 times 5. You berpura-pura lah, you buat sendiri. Then surd 9 and surd 5. Surd 9 is 3, so 3 surd 5. That is the answer. Okay, next one. Okay, next one is look fishy. Okay, right. Solve this. Okay, no problem. Jangan panik. You tengok square root baru you panic. Okay, this one is what? Power root. Okay, if like this, what we'll put? Power 1 over 3. If like this, what? 1 over 4. Power dia lah. So 1 over 2x plus 1. Itu saja. Is equal to 512 1 over 2x plus 2. Tak ada susah. 256 ni, 256 and 512 you can express in terms of power 4 ke? Power 2 boleh. I try power 4. Power 8 boleh tak? 8 power 3. 512, but you cannot get 256. So use 4 lah. 4 power 5, 4 power 3, 4 power 4, 256 can, but 512 cannot. Okay, the best thing is express in base 2 lah. 256 is 2 power 8. 2 power 8 equal to 512 is 2 power 9. Okay, so now what will simplify? Okay, 2 and 2 are equal, so the powers must be equal. And then your maths. 8 times 2x plus 2 equal to 9 2x plus 1, your linear equation form 1. So 16x plus 16 equal to 18x plus 9. So 18x maintain here, 16x bring here, 16, the plus 9 bring here, minus 9, so 7 equal to 2x, x equal to 7 over 2. That's the answer. Okay? Easy ma. Okay? Easy. Look like very difficult, but very easy. Okay, this one 5 mark question. Let us see. Question 20. Paper 2, I will do a separate video lah. It will be very lengthy then. Okay, question 20. Log A P square H, log A P Q. Okay, they give you all this nonsense. Okay, log A P, log. Okay, you need to express in terms of this. So kamu kena dapat log AP. This one we know, log AP minus log AQ. The problem is, yang ni bukan P, Q, very simple one. They give you in this form. So we need to modify them. Okay. So we take the first equation. So log AP square, dia darab dengan Q kan. So plus log AQ equal to H. Okay. And this part, log AQ divide means, okay, I write this one first. So log AQ divide means minus log AP cube. Saya letak 3 di sini equal to K. Okay. So you need to use the H and K. Okay, here the log AP is positive, here negative. So I make here log AP square. No, the 2, let it be here. Okay, wait. 2 log AP equal to H minus log AQ. Correct or not? I bring the log AQ to the opposite side. And log AP equal to H minus log AQ over 2. Okay. At the same time, I do this simultaneously. Log AQ pula equal to K plus 3 log AP. Okay. Alright. So, what do we do? Okay. We'll start answering the question. I get something like this lah. I get log AP, log AQ. But then, I need to convert this in terms of... Okay, we see first how we do. log A, question minta apa? Log A P over Q, itu saja. So log A P minus log A Q. Okay, I try to ganti first. The problem is we got log AP here. And log AQ here. Okay. Tak apalah, kita cuba ganti dia. Log AP. I try first. H minus log AQ over 2 minus log AQ is K plus 3 log AP. Okay, based on what you find just now, 5 marks definitely going to be a little bit longer. So H minus, what is log AQ? Again you ganti. Again you will get in terms of P. So how to end this? We need to think away already. So we either ganti the log AQ or log AP lah. Bagi dia satu term saja. Okay, contoh if I want to ganti at log AQ, it will be very complicated because already I think first we make it linear first, then easy for us. Times 2 everything. So get rid of this denominator 2. So H minus log AQ minus K, 2K. Right? I put, I maintain the bracket first. 2K plus 6. This one times 2. This one times 2. 6 log A P. Okay, now buka dia semua. Log A Q minus 2K minus 6 log A P. Okay, now either you ganti dia punya Q atau P dulu. Because now log AQ, log AP kita tak boleh solve. Okay, I try to ganti log AQ lah, easy. K plus 3 log AP. H minus, okay, log AQ tu apa dia? K plus 3 log AP minus 2K minus 6 log AP. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of the log, but just we try first. Minus K minus 3 log AP. Okay, and then minus 2K minus 6 log AP. Okay. H ada di sini. Minus K minus 2K minus 3K. And then kita ada minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 log AP. Okay, not even close. Now how I'm going to log AP pula? Cannot, it will keep on coming log AQ. So maybe I need to change my strategy. Okay, let me rethink and do. Okay. Okay. So this one, log A P square Q equal to H. So log A P square times means plus log A H, log A H, sorry, log A Q equal to H. Okay, we put it as a equation 1. I don't know how it's going to end. Log A Q over PQ. So log A Q minus, because divide, log A P cube letak sini lah. This is equal to K. equation 2. So I try to combine both equation. Okay, from 1, I may be making the log AQ as a subject, H minus 2 log AP. This is equation 3. And from 2, log AQ is equal to K plus 3 log AP. Equation number 4. And notice that 3 and 4 is the same, log AQ, right? So 3 should be equal to 4. So H minus 2 log AP is equal to K plus 3 log AP. So H minus K equal to 3 log AP minus become 2 log AP. Is it? So H minus K equal to 5 log AP. We can plus them. You treat like log AP into sebagai macam Q. So 3Q plus 2Q is what? 5Q kan? Right? And then make the log AP as a subject. This is what you get, log AP. Okay, we settle one part. Now I get the idea already. Okay, I get log. What is a log AP? Okay, now I need to do like log AQ. What is a log AQ? Okay, so now from 1, same thing. Now kita jadikan log AP as a subject. 2 log AP is equal to H minus log AQ. So log AP basically H minus log AQ over 2. Okay. And can I get... Okay, I try to equate. This one is equation 5 lah. If I put this at there... Okay, now I try to ganti the log AP with the 5. I try. So H minus K over 5 is equal to H minus log AQ over 2. So the 2 naik atas. 2H minus 2K over 5. Okay. Is equal to H minus log AQ. 2H minus 2K over 5 minus H, or we bring everything here, easier. I put the log AQ here, H minus 2H minus 2K over 5. What I get out of this? This one I put 5H over H, minus 2H minus 2K over 5. So this one I can get 3H minus minus become plus 2K over... I cannot minus because... Wait. I think I make a mistake there. Okay. So I make... It's actually 5H over 5. Minus 2H minus 2K. Put it in bracket, otherwise you make mistake. So 5H minus 2H is 3H. Minus minus is plus 2K over 5 is log AQ. Okay. This is equation 6. Okay. Right. Definitely 5 marks will carry a lot. So what we want to find? Log AP over Q. We want to find log AP over Q. Maksudnya log AP minus log AQ. Q. What is log AP? H minus K over 5. From 5, equation 5. Minus log AQ, 3H plus 2K over 5. Adakah close? Mungkin close. Jadi kita tengok. H minus K minus 3H minus 2K over 5. So, H minus 3H is negative 2H. Negative K minus negative 2K, negative 3K over 5. Negative 2H, negative 2K over 5. Okay, tally. Quite tricky, very long, challenging. Alright, 21. 21A. The answer is 5n minus 9n. Okay, let's simplify this. Okay, 3 power negative n, 15. 15 is 3 power 5 lah. Sorry, 3 times 5 lah. Okay, minus 27 is 3 power 3 n. Okay, you get like this, right? Okay, now 3 power negative n, I buat dalam dulu 3 power n times 5 power n minus 3 power 3n. Okay, sekarang kita kena darab this to the whole thing and darab this to the whole thing because got minus here. So 3 power n times 5 power n times 3 power negative n minus 3 power negative n darab 3 power 3n. Okay, so this minus I put here. Okay, now we know 3n plus minus n times 5n. This side I put bracket so that you can see clearly. Minus 3 negative n plus 3n. Okay, jadi apa kita dapat? N minus n gone lah. 3 power 0, 1. So 5n saja dekat sini. Di sini 3n minus n 2n. Okay, and then the 3 power 2 is 9. So you get 5n minus 9n. The answer is correct. Okay, next one. Part B. Okay, express what is this? Express H in terms of A and B if the solution to this to an equation such that A and B are constant and x equal to like this. Oh my god. Okay, right. Dia bagi x. Soalan yang susah sikit ni. Okay. What we can do is we substitute the x inside first. Okay, we get the equation first. We want to find what h in terms of A and B. Okay. You want to find h in terms of A and B. Express h in terms of A and B. Okay, obviously I want to ganti the x with this. But then why not we simplify this first? X h. Square means what? Okay, this part is square, you get A only. This part is square, you get B only. 2 square root A square root B. 2 square root AB lah. Okay, I square this first. You akan dapat A campur B. Dekat tengah-tengah, 2 is the only whole number. A and B are surds, so they are multiplying inside. Okay. Okay, now, you see. What was the question? 4x and I have a square root minus square root x. They want the express h. And don't forget, this whole thing is multiplied by h. Okay. I cannot minus this. Can I square it? I try square first. Square the whole equation. I simply square. If I square, what will happen? You need to square this side also. So what will happen? You square this side, become 4x only, minus 2. 4x multiplied by x is 4x squared. Betul tak? Okay, how I do this? 2, I put 2 because only whole number. 4x and x are inside the surd, so they can multiply 4x squared. Plus, surd x, if you square it, it becomes x. This is 9 square root b. This one I have to square at bottom also. So, you want to square the bottom. Square root a, you square, it become a. Square root b, you want to square, it become positive b. No, wait. Yeah lah, negative b, okay. Wait, what will be the middle part? Negative square root b times negative square root b. Right, so negative darab mesti positif. So square root b square. B sajalah. Okay. And then the tengah-tengah one, 2 AB. Like this pula. But remember, we have this. Nampak tak dia macam sama kan? Nanti kita akan tengoklah macam mana kita buat. But it is not positive, it is minus. One more time, see here. Square root A, you square, you dapat A. Negative square root B, you square, you dapat B. Tengah-tengah is 2, but you got a negative here, so it won't be positive, it will be negative. Okay. Now, we try to do some changes here. 4x plus x is 5x minus 2. Actually, square root 4 is 2. Square root of x square is x. We can solve this. Square root 4, square root x square kan, kalau kita pisah. And this become 2, this become x what? Plus x equals to 9. What was the answer look like? H and AB only, okay. A minus 2AB plus B. Okay, cuba kita sum all the x. 5x, 1x, 2 times 2 is negative 4. So totally 2x only here. 2x equal to 9 over A minus 2AB plus B. Okay. Now, I need to find what? Express H. Okay, express H means, okay, sekarang X tu saya nak ganti pula. 2x. X tu apa dia? Just now you ganti, right? You already find out this. H plus 2ab plus b. This is your whole x equal to, okay, equal to 9 over square root a minus 2ab plus b. Okay, you kena tinggalkan h sahaja. You kena tinggalkan h sahaja. Okay. Jadi h is equal to 9 square root a minus 2 square root ab plus b. Hold on. Why? Wait. This supposed not to have a square root. Okay, my bad. Okay. Lepas tu 2 dan the whole thing, it must be multiply here lah. Darab sana, datang sini. So, I think the best course of action, you maintain this as a square. Jangan kembang dulu. Got reason. Square root A minus square root B. Square. And this part also, I think don't kembang lah. Okay, don't kembang. Maybe we do a little bit easier. Okay. Okay. So now 2x. X means what? 2h square root a plus square root b and then square. Right? Okay. We do one shot the expansion. Why troubling? So h 9 over square root a minus square root b square. And then these 2 come here, divide. And then the square root a plus square root b square also come here. Okay, now our tugas is simplify this lah. What should be the answer? Okay, look like this. Hopefully, we almost get it. See, we can get the 9 ready. Just settle at the bottom there. Okay, this gonna take a while. Okay, 2 tu saya letak depan. Okay, a square root a is square root a, we square, we get a. Tengah-tengah is minus 2ab. I just now show you how to expand plus b. And then we need to multiply again for plus 1, this one. A plus 2ab plus b. Okay, what it will be? 9. We need to multiply again. Oh my god, there's no other way. Okay, the 2, let it be here. A times a is a square plus 2a surd ab plus ab should it be any other way, simpler way? Tak apalah, saya buat dululah. Okay, I already multiply a with the 3 terms. So we'll get totally 9 terms, you know. That's the part. Minus 2a ab Okay, minus 2AB idarat dengan A, so I put the A. And then minus plus become minus 4. AB darab AB, AB sajalah. Minus AB. And then minus 2B AB. Okay. And then what will happen? Why not I find another way to do this? Let me see I can use anything or not. A square plus 2AB minus B square. A plus B square darab A minus B square. What I get? Oh, it will be... Okay, wait. A, B. Okay, now multiply everything by B, yeah? So I get AB again. Sorry, A square. Should be getting A square. And then... no. A times B. This part, A times B. AB. 2B. AB. Plus B square. I've never seen question like this. Okay, let me see anything we can cancel. We try to cancel. So whole thing is 9. So H equal to 9. Let's see. Plus 2AAB minus 2AAB cancel each other. Minus 2BAB minus plus 2BAB cancel each other. Jadi tinggal apa? Kita kena tengok dulu. A square ada. AB minus 4AB. A square AB minus 4AB plus AB. Okay. And plus B square. So, apa yang kita ada? H is equal to 9. I don't get any 2 here. Why am I getting 2 there? Alright. 6x minus 4x. 2x தான் வருது. Okay. To a square minus 2ab plus b square. Ini maksudnya a square minus 2ab plus b square kita boleh tulis sebagai a square minus b square lah. You all know this. But I get these 2. I get almost close to the answer, but these 2. Maybe some mistakes happens. Okay. Can you see? We get ready the answer. Okay, a minus b square. Sorry. Not this form. A minus b square, correct. Because a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. This one all algebra, you should know lah. Okay, but where is this 2 came from? Okay, kita nak tunggu yang tu saja. Kita tengok. Okay, we recheck the answers. 4x minus x. So I square the whole thing. So bottom dia akan jadi square, atas pun square 9, this one. When I square this, 4x, this one become positive x, and then negative 2 datang depan, 4x times x, 4x squared. Okay, this one all okay. 5x, 4x plus x is 5x minus 2. And then simplify the 4x squared inside the square root. I get 2x, correct. 9, okay. I don't think so any mistake in my working. Okay, the H dijadikan subject. 2 and the whole thing you bring down. And then you need to play around. Okay, play around. The 2 still there. Never cancelled by anything. I think they missed out the 2. Okay, I think they missed out the 2. Okay, so if you get the exact answer like this, please do PM me. My answer is this. Okay, and final question. 7 mark this question. Oh, the total is 7 mark for all 3. Okay, given that n equal to, should be easy lah, ln question, and ln m plus 1, such that m is a rational number. Okay, rational number means number you can express in fraction lah, and is the solution to m is a rational number, and m also is the solution to this. So find the value of m. Okay, jadi kita kena cari dia punya n dululah. 5e n minus 3 equal to e negative 2. Okay, so 5 e n over e power 3 lah. Tolak means bahagi, equal to 1 over e square lah. Or you just put it like this, e negative 2, then 5 e n equal to e negative 2 multiply e 3. So you get e negative 2 plus 3, not times. So e power n equal to e power 1 over 5 lah. Okay, sekarang kita nak cari apa? Kita cari n lah. N log e equal to log e minus log e 5. Okay, so ini boleh potong. N equal to 1 minus log e 5. Okay, so kamu tengok, we actually can find something related, correct not? See here, dia bagi n equal to ln m plus 1, and di sini kita cari n equal to log e tu apa dia? Negative ln lah, negative ln 5 plus 1 as well. Can you see that? Okay, so that means what? We compare ln m with negative ln 5. Okay, log em equal to negative log e5. Log em equal to log e5 power negative 1. I bring the negative to power. Log e potong, m equal to 1 over 5. Yeah, that is the answer. Okay. Very funny question, okay, but you need to see the things very clearly. Okay, right, that's all for part 1 lah. So be sure to complete all your exercise, and you can share your feeling after you do all the 21 questions. And I hope by end this end of this exercise, you should be able to prepare yourself, strategize the question properly whenever you encounter the log questions. Okay, take care, bye guys.